Welcome to Tech Orbit, where modern web creation meets simplicity. I'm your tech buddy. Let's begin.
So today we will learn how to set up the contact us page in our WordPress website. So suppose we have a website where we already have a contact us menu. So first we will open our WordPress dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard where we have the options like post, page, everything. We go to the plugin, click on add plugin. Here we need to search for the contact form 7. So we will search. This is our contact form 7. We click on install now. Plugin is installed. Here you see now the activate button is here. We click on the activate. Once we click on the activate, here we see contact us menu will display. So here is the menu. Now we have to click on the contact forms. Here we have multiple forms option, like we can add the contact form. Integration option is also there. For now, just focus on add contact form. So we need only one contact form with this website, so we will use this one. We click on the edit. We change the name, so we get the idea where we use this. So I change it to same as that of name, contact us. This is everything here. Just click on save. This is the shortcode. So just copy this shortcode, go to your pages, click on edit. Now this is our contact page. I want that we divide the contact page in two parts. First part is means having form with like option like first name, last name, email, and second here we can add some image or like map. So just go here, click on the columns. So here we use the 50 by 50. Here 2 will be appear. Here I will choose the shortcode, click on shortcode, and here I will choose for the image for now. Okay, we can use custom HTML, anything we can use. Okay, so let's see, image is there. Just click on select this shortcode, just click on save, and here you can see. Now suppose you want to add some new field and just improve the form. Okay, so we can go here. Just suppose we can make it name, email, subject, message, save. Now you can see same is appearing here, name, emails. So we see submit. Please fill out this field XYZ thing. So these fields are required. Okay, so this is the star that make these fields required. So we can do a lot of things. Suppose we want to add one more field, like this one is first name. We want to add one more field, last name. So label is the HTML that going to remain same. I just copy this thing. Okay, and this thing. Okay, and here I use last name. So now it's up to suppose last name is not required. So I will click on text and field name. I will choose that to last name. Okay, last name, last. Last name. Okay, and we can also add some classes or something. Forget on this type. Insert tag. So last name. Now if I did not add the star, so we can say this is not required. We can see here last name is there. We click on submit. Yeah, you can see there is no required. Now how we know that these fields are required? So we suppose we want to add some red tags. So what we can do, we can add span tag here. Close must be important, okay, and here's some star. Make it like suppose class red, class equal to red, okay. So we go here, this will display here red. So red color is not appearing because we need to add the color, you know that, okay. So if we add the color, then it will be appear as red. You can see class is coming here. So we can simply add color red. So with the help of this, it's easy to see means what is the field and all that, okay. So this is about the contact form. Now we have next tag is mail. So to means to whom we are sending the email. So from where you get the email, okay. Let's change it to okay. And from where you are getting. So for example, we are website real estate website we have. So we put it in real estate or our organization name, simple organization name. So it looks good, okay. Subject, your subject simple. Reply to, okay, your name, email, subject. You want to add last name also, so you can from last name here, last name, okay. Last name, just use this one. Keep this as it is, whatever it is before, this way, okay, and just click on save. Okay, so this is something related to email part, okay. Last underscore name, yeah, so we are using last underscore name also. Everything is there. HTML content type always we need to choose. Suppose we are using some good format, table or etc. to send the email, okay. Message, here you can change the message, like once you send the mail, you will get the thank you for your message, it has been sent, okay. Please fill out this field. So suppose I change it to this field is required. Field is required. Okay. I click on save. Simple. So you see, message will appear here. Field is required. So that is additional setting. Normally does not use, no issue, okay. So this is all about the contact form 7 plugin. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Orbit for more smart WordPress and AI-powered web development tips. See you in the next orbit.